Okay, so here we have the Rover P5B. You can see in remarkable condition. It's 1971 3.5 litre coupe. Got the Buick engine in, 3.5 litre Buick. Just walking around, just looking around the car. And it is in lovely condition. Look at that, beautiful, isn't it? And this hasn't been cleaned. I genuinely mean that. I haven't touched this yet since it's been down the workshop. So it's all dusty at the moment and probably not looking at its best. But that's it there. So what we'll do, we come round and then we'll open the doors and have a look inside. So there you go. Look at that, beautiful, isn't it? The best colour combination, obviously. And in here, excuse our crisps and sandwiches, but we've just been to the garage. So that there is all your lovely leather and everything in there. Back door, oh, it's open as well. That's a relief. There it is all in there, so you can see how nice it is. Beautiful. Right, what we do is start her up. Just doing a video. We'll start her up and then we give her a drive around the block and see what you think. So let's go on this side. Look at the chrome work on that. I'm not being funny. Look at that. Just stunning, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Right, so let's jump in and take a little run. We're on an American air base at the moment, so we're okay. Okay, so here we are. Excuse our crisps and everything. Oh, listen to that. How quiet is that? Just been through our workshop. We've done all the brakes and everything. And so let's go for a little drive round. There you go. How nice is that? It's a Rover P5B 3.5 litre. Beautiful smooth gear change. There you go, look at that, lovely, isn't it? Power steering's lovely, there's no noises, no knocking, no rattling. It is absolutely beautiful. This is 1971. This is when they used to be able to build cars. This car is currently just going up for sale, so if anyone's interested, do let me know. Then round here, just go back to the workshop, so just to give you an idea of what it sounds like. And then what I'll do, I'll leave it running and then we'll just have a listen to it and see what you think. So I'll just bring it back to the workshop. There you go. And then we'll put the handbrake on, which is down here. There's the handbrake. And the light, even the light comes on. Look at that, that's blooming brilliant. Put it into park, which is there. And then what we do, we'll open the bonnet, which is down here. That made a bit of a bang, didn't it, when you open the bonnet? It's meant to, it's no making that noise. Okay, so this is the car running. Let's go around it while it's running. Right, I've got the bonnet open, but that's it running. I'll take you to the back first and let's just have a look. We've just been up the road in this. If you look here, there is no smoke whatsoever. I'll put my hand there, you see absolutely, sorry, my hand there, absolutely nothing. Beautiful. Running like a dream. In the boot. Oh, in the boot is the covers. I'll just pull them out for a minute. See how nice that is. So there's the boot, as it should be. Battery, everything is there. I'll shut the boot. Listen to that, quite a zone. 3.5 litre coupe. Right, so then we go round to, there's your nice seats, everything in there. Then we go round to the front here. And what we do, just open the bonnet. Oh, listen to that beautiful engine. Look at that, all the old stickers still on there and everything. That's lovely. What condition is that? That's really lovely. Someone must be really proud owner of this. We've had an awful lot of work done to it. All the brakes have been checked, put all new seals, all the nails set. Paintwork is superb. We've done an oil change. We've done a filter change. We've drained the fuel tank, we've put new fuel in, we've got plugs in, we've got leads in, so it's really had a service, we've had a brake service, we've checked all the brakes are new, which is nice. And again we go, if I stand back again so you can hear how nice this car really is, yeah. There you go. And it is ready to go, so if anyone's interested, they get in touch. Look at that, how quiet that is. 1971 Rover P5B Buick engine, 3.5 litre V8. That lovely that sound. Might get that for an electric car. There you go. The old GB badge and everything on there.